AP SACS organized a state-level Zoom meeting on the 20th of November 2023 for all the prevention units, which the projects have been working on prevention of HIV/AIDS in the state AP. The district-level DAPCO also participated in the meeting. In the meeting, the AP SACS officials instructed all the PU projects to celebrate World AIDS Day at local level on 1st of December 2023, and also each PU should conduct a month-long awareness program on behalf of World AIDS Day celebrations, that is from the 26th of November to the 24th of December 2023. Next day on the 26th of November 2023, DAPCO, Nandyala conducted an offline meeting under the chairmanship Mrs. Sharadabai ADM and HO, Nandyala. The DAPCO lays down district and local level program plans for all PU projects within the district. In this context, an offline meeting was held with the Hands Poo Dhune project staff to discuss the plan to organize awareness programs through the community. As a result of long discussions in the project, the program schedule was planned from the 26th of November to the 24th of December 2023, a month-long event scheduled under the project. As per the scheduled program, the project team conducted the following program as mentioned in the scheduled program. Through poster campaign, the project team pasted the program poster in public places and government offices and schools, colleges. In continuation of the programs, the project team conducted awareness classes for students in school and college. Later, Mandal level awareness was given to IKP women, municipal workers, factory workers and auto unions in urban areas. As per schedule, the rally was organized on 1 December 2013 under the leadership of Mr. Anif Garu, a medical officer. The Honorable Principal Civil Judge started the rally by Mrs. Thangamani Garu. The rally started and proceeded till Gandhi Circle at Old Bus Stand. The large-scale rally shows placards and slogans on HIV/AIDS prevention measures. Finally, organized Manava Haram and pledged to stop AIDS by taking prevention measures in the society.
పరిపూర్ణ చైతన్యంతో సమగ్ర అవగాహనతో బాధ్యతాయుత ప్రవర్తనతో HIV/AIDS ను అరికట్టడంలో ముందుంటానని డిసెంబర్ 1 ప్రపంచ ఎయిడ్స్ దినం సందర్భంగా